Hello and welcome to another video. Today we have this Audi Q4 brand new vehicle that just been delivered to us by one of the dealerships. Obviously, majority of the work is for the dealers, and the work is done mostly at their premises, but occasionally when the work is more involving, like this one, we get the cars delivered to us to perform their installation and upgrades. So what we're doing on this car is the OEM Audi 360 camera. So that's the 4-camera system, front, 2 mirrors and one at the back. This car is equipped currently with a rear camera, but it's unfortunately not compatible. Usually cars that have just the rear cameras, they have to have that system removed in order to have the whole new 360 camera installed. And also I'm just showing you the front because this one has already a dummy cover for the front camera. It's just a plastic round cover here that you can see. There's nothing in the mirrors, so as I go below, you'll be able to see just the light. There's no cameras, and as you can see, it's still wrapped and all that. And the back here has the camera, but this will be removed because we'll have to install a new system that is fully integrated with a 360 camera system. So we'll get to it. This is a lengthy job that takes several days, so we'll start on it now and we'll show you when it's all completed. Let's get to it. Installation is completed, all cameras fully calibrated, so let's have a look at the installation now. So the newly installed camera doesn't look that much different from the one that was already here. It's the same grip, the same location, but the hardware is different. And then we've got the cameras now in the mirrors here, so you can see the little eye showing. Probably from this angle it looks much easier to notice. Then front, as before, we had a dummy cover. Now it's the lens that sits in the bracket, so that's there. And the same on the driver side mirror, which is just here. So let's have a look now how it performs. Right, so I've got the system started, so let me just select the reverse gear. And as you can see, we've got the rear camera comes up here. You've got the like a top view, bird view with all the cameras around. So let me just move a little bit forward. So when I press drive, the main camera has changed to show the front. So obviously we can see what's in front of us. And then this helps us navigate and park through and so on. I've got one of the cars parked here. You can see it also here. So yeah, and we can change all the different views in the drop down menu here. Let me just reverse slightly again so I can show you how it's reversing. Obviously we can see the car to the right of us. It's the little caterham, and then how we are approaching the gate at the back here of our workshop. And obviously you've got it here, but as I mentioned, you can also change the views. So I could see the back, the two rear left and right angle. We can see the same at the front, so front, right and left. Again, we could see like a fish eye, I call it, like a wide angle view, which is you can see across the whole rear of the car. Again, just the standard rear camera. We can have the camera that comes up here on the 360, the top view. We can have it on the main screen showing up, so that then comes up and you've got on the bigger basically screen here the same view. Or we can see the front camera, which obviously we've shown before, and again front wide angle view, the whole spectrum of the front we can see here. We've got a car coming in now, so you can see it's there, and we can see it's coming there and turning and going. So yeah, so all this is done to the factory specification, including all the coding, all the hardware, all calibration done as well. Includes 3 years warranty as usual with us. So if you like more information about this product, get in touch with us. Links in the description. We offer this system not only for the Q4, but across the range, across the model range from Audi. If you're interested, just get in touch. Links are in the description. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one. Bye bye.